Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I am Rashid Rabbani. I am in the third grade of SDIT at USWAH. Welcome to my video. Today we are going to make a good ice cream that is perfect to drink this afternoon while the sun shines from bright and hot. Okay, we are ready to make it. Here we go. First, we have to prepare the ingredients. 1. We have some slashy seeds. Put it into the bowl. Then add some hot water until the slashy seeds submerge. 2. We have 3 cucumbers. The cucumbers need some treatment. We have to peel the cucumber skin. After that, we get rid of the cucumbers. We can use a spoon to scrape it. Make it clean thoroughly. Wait until it just leaves the flesh of the cucumbers. Then, by using a grater, I use the cheese grater here. Grate all the cucumber flesh. The third ingredient is sugar liquid. Take around 200 grams of sugar. Put it into the bowl and add some hot water. To make the sugar dissolve quickly, stir by using a spoon. The fourth, we have around 100 milliliters of melon syrup. The fifth ingredient is 2 lemons. Mom, can you help me to cut the lemon, please?
Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Squeeze the lemon. You can push the lemon manually by our own hand or by using a lemon squeezer like this. And lastly, we have the nut of the cookie. Tada! The ingredients are ready. The second step we have to do is mix all the ingredients into this big bowl. Put the grated cucumber, then the sugar liquid, and the lemon juice. Add some water. I use around 2 liters of water. Stir it evenly. After that, put the melon syrup and the nut of the cookie. Stir it again. Then that's it. I think it's good enough. Prepare the glasses. Put some ice cube into the glass. Put the Kuwut until the glass is almost full. Add a spoon of slashy seeds. For finishing, we need a garnish to make it more beautiful. Use a slice of lemon and put it into the rim of glass. The good ice drink is ready to be served. Please come here, my brother and my mother. Let's enjoy the good ice drink that I made. What do you think, friends? Do not forget to try this on your own, and you can also enjoy this with your lovely family. See you next time. Bye.